Hello students, in this video I will teach you about your chapter number 3rd, election representation, class 11. In democracy, election play a very important role, as we know that elections are the backbone of the democracy, and any democratic country need it very urgently. Without elections we cannot imagine for the democracy, because democracy is that form of government where government is elected by the people. A very philosopher Aristotle has told about this, जिसे हिंदी में अरस्तु बोलते हैं. He has told about that democracy is the form of government. It is of the people, for the people, and by the people. To make it more effective, there are democratic elections. When we talk about democracy, it means to say that each and every citizen of that particular country is given equal representation, equal status in each and every focus of that political system. And when we talk about these elections, democracy plays very important role. And for this democracy, elections play very important role. And what are the elections mean to say? It is the method when people cast their votes to a particular candidate, whomsoever they think deserving candidate, to represent them in the government, either in national level or state level or regional government. And in this way, how these elections are conducted and who takes the part, that is our next topic. Mean to say, the citizen, everyone who has completed the age of 18 and above, devoid of any type of discrimination, caste, color, creed, gender or regionalism, he or she is eligible to cast his and her vote. That is called adult franchise system. So we can say that in democracy, Indian democracy, elections are conducted by the election commission, but based upon adult franchise system. We will learn about election commission also. We conducts the election in Indian democracy. That is democracy, as you know, that democracy is the combination of two words, demo plus kratia. Demo mean to say country, and it mean to say kratia means to say people. People of that country are the whole soul power of that country, and that is given through democracy by the elections. These people are able to conduct their elections and take part directly and indirectly. Now the question is that need of the elections. In any democratic country, there is urgent need of the election, because all the major decisions are taken by these representatives, and we elect these representatives, mean to say citizens elect these representatives on their own behalf. But it is very impossible, not only difficult but impossible, all the people cannot get together on the same place. All the people cannot get together on the same place to make any type of decision. That's why they send their representatives. I will show you that map regarding constituencies and seats in Lok Sabha in my next video, and that they send their representatives from there. Like in our family function is there, in our relation, marriage, birthday parties, any type of, only one or two family member go there. If we are family of 10 members, mean to say these two member or one member represent the whole family. They say that it is the presence of from such and such family. Exactly, you have different type of houses in your school, and whenever there is any type of competition, you people send 2 or 3, or if it is match, 10 people out of your 300 gathering, per house 400 gathering. Mean to say, if those 4 people or that full team gets the victory, they are the winner, means whole house is the winner. I think you have followed the representatives in democracy. Exactly Same way we elect our representatives and sent them to form policies, form government for ourselves. That's why there is a need of elections in democracy. Now we have to discuss about the role of the election commission. Election commission give very important function in democracy because there is very important term that there must be free and fair elections in democracy without any discrimination, divide of any type of discrimination, any type of this caste, color, creed, gender, and this one regionalism, and many more, like in daily life we have to face. So that's why that election commission is elected by the president, having some more members, 3 to 5 members. One is the leader of that group. That president elect them, and tenure of the election commission is 6 years, and sometime it can be extended according to the political situation of the country. It is in the hand of the president of that country. Election commission major function that he is responsible to conduct the whole elections from beginning to till the result day outcome of the elections. Even after the election, when the results are declared, some people make different type of objections that are also to be sorted by the election commission. It comes in its power when any type of issue is there. It can election commission can cancel the election from that particular constituency, or maybe from the whole district and that state, whatsoever, even at the national level, due to natural calamities. And like nowadays we have this corona, let us see what will happen to elections, and some other type of disasters if country has to face. In this way, it is the major role of the election commission, from nomination of the candidate, allotment of the symbols, like different symbols are there, parties having when they have to contest elections, and nomination of the candidate, conduct the electoral roll, mean to say who is eligible for vote. Some new candidates are there included, those who have completed age of 18, and some are to be deleted from their. Unfortunately, they are not in this world now, they have got died. And basis upon legal documents, everything is conducted by this election commission. Even time to time, this electoral roll is being revised for different type of faults and things. And very important that to conduct election, from the nomination of the candidate, then allotment of the symbols, giving tickets, then election propaganda, then election campaign, then final day, that is the casting of the votes, we can say polling booth, polling day are there, then till the result declaration, all the functions, and very important to conduct all these works free and fair. You may have seen that there are different type of challenges for the election commission itself, for Indian election system, and that is lack of internal democracy in Indian political parties, dynastic succession is there, and very harming to the true spirit of democracy, that is money and muscle power. And moreover, people don't have internal choice better candidate. If they compare, 5-6 candidates are there, if they compare and contrast, mean to say count their positive and negative points, almost it is equal everywhere. And sometimes citizens think that okay, give vote, we have to cast the vote, and sometimes they don't cast the vote on this. All these functions, all these responsibilities come in the arena of this election commission, and election commission plays very important role. Thank you students, keep on studying.